Hello, good morning or good afternoon. I am Nina Simone, and today we are covering simple strategies for peace before work. Before we talk about what today holds, let's slow everything down. If you're able, place both feet on the floor, let your shoulders drop, take a slow breath in through your nose, and exhale longer than you inhale. So let's breathe in, hold it. Now release through your mouth. You don't need to rush this moment. Let your body catch up with where you are. Right now, nothing needs to be fixed. Peace does not begin in your thoughts, it begins in your body. When your nervous system is calm, clarity follows. Let's take another slow breath in through your nose. Hold it. Now release through your mouth slowly. Now tell yourself quietly, I am safe in this moment. Even if your home feels unsettled, even if your heart feels heavy, your body can be safe right now. Many parents walk into work carrying emotional weight. So let's name it without judgment. Ask yourself, what am I carrying into today? It might sound like I feel worried, I feel tired, I feel distracted, or I feel heavy. Naming an emotion doesn't make it stronger, it makes it lighter. You don't have to explain it, you don't have to fix it. There are things you are responsible for today, and there are things you are not. You are not responsible for fixing your adult child today. You are not responsible for managing their choices. Say this with me. I release what is not mine to carry today. Now, peace grows when control is surrendered. Let's go over a few short prayers that are powerful. Let's try this one. Lord, steady my heart today. Or even this, God, guide my words and reactions. Scripture reminds us that, Lord, you will keep in perfect peace those whose minds are stayed on you. Peace doesn't require certainty, it requires trust. So, parents, you are allowed to work today without carrying guilt. You are allowed to function and still be healing. Take this peace with you.